If you keep saying you don't have time, this video will change that. Time isn't the problem, how you use it is. In the next few minutes, I'll show you simple steps to use your time wisely so you can get more done without stress. The first step to using your time wisely is knowing what deserves your time. Too many people stay busy without being productive. Write down your top priorities, such as your goals, responsibilities, and personal needs. Ask yourself, does this activity move me closer to my goals, or is it just filling time? When you are clear on what matters, it becomes easier to say no to distractions. Step 2: plan your day before it starts. A plan gives your time direction. At the start of each day or the night before, list the three most important tasks you need to complete. These are non negotiable. Use time blocks to assign when you work on each task. Planning doesn't limit your freedom, it actually gives you more control over your day. Step 3: focus on one task at a time. This is one of the most important steps. Multitasking feels productive, but it actually wastes time. When you switch between tasks, your brain loses focus and efficiency. Instead, work on one task at a time. Give it your full attention and finish it before moving on. You'll get better results in less time. Step 4: eliminate time wasters. Time leaks add up fast: social media scrolling, unnecessary notifications, and constant interruptions. Turn off alerts while working. Set limits on entertainment apps. Protect your time the same way you protect your money, because once it's gone, you can't get it back. Step 5: use breaks to recharge, not distract. Rest is part of productivity. Take short breaks to reset your mind, stretch, or breathe, but don't fall into endless distractions. A refreshed mind works faster, sharper, and more creatively. Last but not least, review and improve daily. At the end of the day, reflect. What do you use your time on? What worked? What didn't? Small daily improvements in how you manage time lead to massive long term results. Using your time wisely isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. Start with one step today, stay consistent, and watch your productivity and your life transform. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.